to using a hydraulic log splitter. It requires just a few foot pumps to split a log up to 46 centimeters long and 26 centimeters in diameter. Each step on the foot lever exerts a force of up to 1.2 tons of pressure, without any upper body strength required. It really is so easy to use. Supplied ready assembled, the log splitter needs no fuel or power and creates no noise or fumes, so it's environmentally friendly.
That looks dangerous. Gee.
But still, you pretty much have to do the low speed handle, and then once you hear a crack, you can do both handles again. You can tell it goes pretty quickly. One thing that you figure out pretty quick though is there's a knob on here that releases the pressure to retract the piston. Don't let it go all the way back. You just want it to go back far enough for your log to fit in there, because the pain in the ass to pump that up. I cut this log about a week ago, so it's still pretty wet, but it's not very big either. But you can see it splits super easy. I don't know if you can see it on here, but this little arm right here that holds the log steady so it doesn't roll off, they catch logs pretty easy. And it's hard to tell at first, but if it seems like it's really hard and you're really grunting to pump that piston forward, you've probably hooked this with a log, and as you can see, I've bent it forward. So now I'm a little more careful about how the logs sit on there, and if I start to feel it rest or catch, I take it off right away. But I split rounds up. Let me see if I can find one that's...
As you can see, it does take a few impacts to go through, but it's quite easy to aim it and to do that action of raising it and driving it down.